Chocolate is produced from the fruit of the Theobroma cacao, a tropical tree. The size of the fruit can be a papaya size. These fruits are full of about 50 seeds, or beans, covered in white pulp. These seeds go through a fermentation process, where they develop their familiar chocolate flavor and aroma. Then, the seeds are roasted and processed in order to create nibs. The nibs go on to be turned into chocolate liquor. Finally, other ingredients, for example sugar, milk, cocoa butter and vanilla, are added to chocolate liquor towards the end of this long and laborious process that determine the type and quality of chocolate produced. Very nutritious. The health benefits of chocolate come from the cacao beans. Higher percentage cacao provide more health benefits. Cacao beans are full with antioxidant phytonutrients, iron, copper, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. Chocolate may reduce heart disease risk. Recent research published in the journal Nutrients found that moderate chocolate consumption up to 3 times per week was associated with benefits in heart disease and stroke decrease. It can be protective against diabetes when consuming 2 to 6 servings per week. A serving is the equal of 1 ounce of chocolate. Cognitive functions. Further research has identified relation between chocolate and cognitive function, in particular associated with reduced risk of cognitive decline in older people. It additionally seems that chocolate can enhance mood in a few people. However, it's far doubtful if those results are because of flavor and odor, or chocolate's interplay with human neurotransmitters, hydrogenated oils and sugar. Chocolate that has less hydrogenated oils and sugar, with more than 70% cacao beans, provides more health benefits. Balanced diet. Many scientific research agree that chocolate can be part of a health-promoting and balanced diet. Is it healthy to eat chocolate every day? Doctor suggests 30 to 50 grams dark chocolate per day for adult men and women without health problems. Doctors also recommend eating milk and white chocolate less than 20 grams each day. What happens when you eat chocolate every day? Eating chocolate every day has many health benefits, such as it reduces risk of stroke, help blood flow, prevent formation of artery plaques. Chocolate also helps to lower cancer because it has flavonoids that reduce cell damage as well as spur tumor growth. Is 1 chocolate bar a day okay? Past research shows that eating 1 chocolate bar per day can lower risk of stroke by 23%. Is chocolate good for your skin? Many scientific research found that eating dark chocolate helps to smooth skin texture. When exposed to the sun, 25% less skin redness and extended skin hydration. Flavonoids in chocolate help reflect harmful UV rays off your skin, preventing sunburn and conditions like skin cancer. Is chocolate a fat or carbohydrate? To get health benefits from chocolate, doctor recommended to eat with 70 to 85% cocoa content. The amount should be minimal and most of the calories will be from fat, such as 64% fat, 5% protein, 31% carb. Which chocolate is good for skin? Dark chocolate. Is cocoa good for hair? Studies suggest that eating cacao can improve hair growth from the roots, more so after menopause. Cacao prevents inflammation to influence hair health and growth patterns.